Firefighting tools can be expensive and can require lots of technical knowledge and special training to operate. Like the helicopter drip torch. Air tankers give firefighters time to build fire line by slowing the fire spread. Dozers, plows, and engines are all effective firefighting tools and are commonly used in firefighting operations. But in the final analysis, individual firefighters with the right hand tools, training, and experience have to control and extinguish the fire. This video is about the firefighting hand tools used in North America. We will look at cutting tools, scraping tools, smothering tools, and some support tools and equipment. Professional firefighting crews made up of skilled individual firefighters and assisted by other equipment often make the difference between a small fire and a major disaster. First, some basics to remember before you get started. Choose your hand tool carefully. See that the handle is straight. Make sure there are no splinters. A loose head can cause serious injury. See that the cutting edge is sharp. Protect yourself by using a tool sheath. Keep at least 10 feet apart when walking or working to avoid injuring others. Wear your safety equipment at all times. Any injury is made worse by fire line conditions. Your hard hat protects your head. Gloves prevent burns and blisters. They also allow you to hold down your fire shelter if you get caught. Leather lace-up boots, at least 8 inches high, support your ankles and protect against snake bite, burns, rocks, and other hazards. Corks are sometimes used in the wet Northwest for traction on logs. Rubber lug soles work best in most cases. Flame-resistant clothing is your best protection against flames and embers. The loose fit keeps the heat away from your skin. Cotton or polycotton underwear is a must to avoid chafing and to help wick perspiration from the body. In spite of our very best efforts, the unexpected may happen and you may get caught and overrun by the fire. Wear your fire shelter at all times, including during mop-up. Know how to care for it, deploy it, and stay in it. Fire shelters have saved many lives. Firefighting hand tools are used to build fire line. In most cases, a fire is not considered controlled until it is surrounded by a fire line dug down to mineral soil. Each tool has a specific job to perform. The order that tools are used in fire line construction is important. Chainsaws are usually first in line in timber country or chaparral, followed by cutting and scraping tools as appropriate. The last tool in line adds the finishing touches. Let's look at the cutting tools. The Pulaski can be used to begin fire line construction. The hoe end is used to grub out clumps of grass and small brush. Its full length can be used to scrape and improve the fire line. The hoe end is used for trenching fire line on steep slopes to catch rolling material. The axe blade is used to chop small trees. The Pulaski is used to buck logs and limb trees. The brush hook precedes the Pulaski in chaparral. The brush hook is good for cutting the dense brush. Sure, firm strokes and steady footwork are the key. A golf-like swing is best when cutting close to the ground. Clearing an area for the backswing on this and all chopping tools is a must. Like the brush hook, the Sandvik or Swedish brush axe is effective for clearing small and medium-sized brush. The tool is swung at a 45-degree angle like the axe. Single-bit axes are popular in the east. Double-bit axes are popular in the west, although both are used universally. Both tools are effective felling tools and are commonly used to support felling operations. The cutting tools are followed by scraping tools used to remove the loose material. The shovel is used to scrape the line to mineral soil. The knee is used as added leverage to save upper body strength. The sharp edges cut small trees, brush, and roots. The shovel is used to cool hot spots. Throwing dirt with a hard sidearm swing is effective on ground fires. For fires burning off the ground, the overhand throw knocks the fire down and cools it. A newcomer to firefighting, the combination tool, is proving to be highly effective for line building and mop-up. Based on the military entrenching tool, the combination tool has a pick-like end for grubbing and breaking up grass clumps, roots, and rocky areas, and a shovel-like hoe for efficient scraping. The shovel head can also be used as a shovel to throw dirt. The shovel is sometimes followed by the McLeod or Cordic tool. The McLeod is used to clean and improve the fire line. The teeth easily rake debris. The scraping edge cuts grass and brush. The sides and corners are useful in tight places. In fuel types where the McLeod can be used, it is one of the fastest line building tools available. The council rake is highly efficient for fire line building in deciduous leaves. It should be carried with the cutters pointed down. The council tool is used during mop-up to scrape burning embers off the trees and stumps, pull hot logs and stumps from the fire edge, and shovel soil onto hot materials. The most popular hoe is the Osborne adze hoe or hazel hoe, used in the Northwest or Great Lakes region where mineral soil lies buried under thick layers of duff. It is designed for heavy grubbing or trenching. It is ideal for trenching fire line on steep slopes. The fire swatter is used in grass and other light fuels. It is laid on the fire edge and moved progressively along, smothering the fire. Hard vertical swatting will spread the fire. Shovels can also be used to smother fire. The collapsible version of the backpack pump is a universally popular tool. It is used in conjunction with hand tools to fight fire and to mop up. It can effectively knock down hot spots and spot fires. The backpack pump is generally used in combination with other tools or to cool a fire to allow other tools to work. Commonly used support equipment includes water delivered through hose lays and mop-up kits. Water is the single most effective firefighting tool available. It efficiently cools fuels and stops the fire. Use water to attack and cool down a hot, moving fire. In such cases, use at least 1.5 inch hose. Use water in combination with hand tools for best effect. The most commonly used nozzle for general firefighting needs is the Forester nozzle. It has a combination fog, straight stream for most general purposes. Use either fog or straight stream to support other tools working in hot material. Mop-up kits are an effective way to use water. The wand delivers a fog spray directly to hot fuel. Again, use the wand in combination with other tools. Fire is often fought with fire. A line is built, and then the fuel near the line is burned to deny fuel to the main fire. The fusee is used for this critical task. Be careful of the hot slag that drips from the end. Fusees can be linked to increase burning time and reduce stooping. The drip torch, using a mixture of 1 part gasoline to 3 parts diesel, is an effective handheld firing tool. The chainsaw is a highly effective line clearing tool. A faller and swamper fell and buck trees and heavy brush. Clearing the fire line for follow-up by hand tools. Heads up when working near chainsaws. Falling trees are extremely dangerous. Post lookouts during falling operations. Never turn your back on a falling tree. You have seen professional firefighters using the tools of their trade. They are professional and effective because they know how to use their tools properly and safely. Each tool can cause serious injury to yourself or to the people working near you unless it is under your complete control at all times. Be sure you know how to care for and safely use the right tool for the right job. Wherever you are from and whatever tools are best for you, remember, your skill with your tools will make a difference.
Where you won't have to turn big, so give it a close eye and use your best edge. Okay.